Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the sync bin in DaVinci Resolve. The sync bin is a powerful tool designed to automatically synchronize your video and audio clips. It's incredibly useful for multi-camera shoots, allowing you to quickly align footage from different cameras and external audio recorders. This feature significantly speeds up your editing process, ensuring all your media is perfectly in sync and ready for your timeline. Before diving into the sync bin, proper preparation of your media is crucial. Always ensure your cameras and audio recorders are set to identical frame rates, like 24 or 30 frames per second, and consistent audio sample rates, typically 48 kHz. Using a clapperboard or a clear audio cue at the start of each take provides excellent reference points for accurate synchronization, making the process much smoother. To sync your clips, first select all the relevant video and audio files in your media pool. Right-click on them and choose Auto Sync Audio. DaVinci Resolve provides several robust syncing options, such as timecode, audio waveform, or even in-point and out-point markers. For most scenarios, waveform syncing works exceptionally well, especially with a clear audio cue. After syncing, your clips will be neatly organized in the sync bin, ready for editing. Once your clips are synced, simply drag the combined synchronized clip from the sync bin onto your timeline. You can then utilize DaVinci Resolve's powerful multicam viewer to effortlessly switch between your different camera angles in real time during playback. This intuitive workflow allows for quick and precise editing, ensuring your final product is polished and professional. The sync bin truly transforms multi-camera projects into a streamlined and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.